Retirement dreams collapse faster than you think. The 40-year career trap is real, and millions are waking up to the fact that decades of loyalty often end with stress, debt, and no freedom. Hi, I'm Holly. At 70, I realized I'd been promised security that never came. I had to find another way. Here are 3 steps that actually changed my life. 1. Content creation is your storefront. Your posts are digital real estate. 2. Lives, conversions at scale. Talk once, reach hundreds, or even your posts. And 3. Automation equals a silent team. Systems that work even when you're resting. If you could take back 10 hours a week, what would you do with it? I share these steps every week. Subscribe here on YouTube and check out my daily blueprint at hollypringdailypay.com. Why retirement plans are failing millions is one of the videos to watch. The link is right below. Next video coming, escaping the 40-year work trap. Don't spend the best years of your life working for someone else's dream. You can start building your own today. Time is more valuable than money. You can always make more money, but we can't make more time. I'm here if you have any questions. And get my free guide. Costs you nothing to check it out.